Hi everyone. So I know it's been long since we are meeting. Thank you so much for keep giving me the love. I've been getting a lot of mails in my mailbox. People requesting me to post more videos about the useful tools. So today I have come with a hardware tool, a hardware device, which is XP Pen. This is Star G960S XP Pen. And I'm very, very excited to use this. So there's a pen along with this graphic tablet, and I will be telling you how we can use this tablet effectively and make my online teaching even more effective. So during the video, I will also be sharing a coupon code which will entitle you to a 5% extra discount if you will place your order via their website. So before we'll start, let me just request you all, if you will like this video, you find it useful, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and if possible, please do comment something also. So let's start unboxing my new Star G960S. So I'm very excited. Let's see what all are being provided. And on the top it's been written that if you register for your product on this website, then you will get 1 extra month of warranty. Okay, so this is what we can see. So this is the graphic board. Okay, so inside this is that stylus, that pen with which I'm going to write. Okay, so we have this USB cable, and then we have this ring. Now this ring is being used whenever we want to change the pin. There are some extra pins also given in case. So for that you just need to put this pin with this, and you have to just pull like this. So that's why this ring has got a cut in between also to hold the pin. Now with this we have the data transfer USB port, and we have okay, so they are saying thank you for supporting. We have this warranty policy also. Let's go to the demo part and I will show you how it actually works. So before we move further, we need to remove this screen shield from the tablet, then only its touch screen will start working. And as you can see, there is one button also in the pen, and this hole actually is if in case you want to tie it up, and you can keep it with a thread so that it should not get lost somewhere. Okay, so before we moving to the software part, let us quickly see the hardware setup of the laptop with the tablet. So you can see this is my pen, this is my tablet, and I have to put this L pin inside this, and I have put the other part of the USB port to the laptop, and I have to download the software, which I am just letting you know how to do it on your laptop, and then we are good to. Okay, so as per this guide, I need to download the driver to run this app, so that they both, my laptop and my tablet, should become compatible with each other. So for that I will just show you the procedure, and then we will move further. Now there are certain extra buttons also given. You can see there are 4 buttons given on this tablet, and these buttons will help us to easily navigate the things. I will be showcasing you all this in the coming part of video. Okay, so now let us see how you can install the driver for your XP Pen. So in the Google, once you will enter the XP Pen, it will show you the official website of XP Pen, which is www.xppen.co.in. You have to click on that, and then you have to click on login there. So in my case, since I have already logged in, so it is already showing me my account thing. I just need to scroll down, and I have to say install or download drivers. When you will say download drivers, it will give you the list of all the products available with XP Pen. Now you have to select the product which you have buy from them. So I am just clicking on Star G960S. When I will click on this, it will show me 2 things. One is the quick guide in the PDF format, another is the drivers for the different devices. So in my case, I have downloaded the Windows one, and once that will successfully install, you can see this kind of icon on your desktop. I have the 3 menus now. The work area, so I am setting it by default as set full screen. I'm going to pen settings. Now in the pen settings, by default it is a right click. I suggest you to keep the right click only. The reason being is right click when you will be using this pen with the PowerPoint or the Word, it will be very accessible to use a right click to change, to erase, or anything you want to do, the change color of the pen and all those things. Then shortcut keys, since I have 4 keys on my tablet, so I can set the shortcut keys for them. Now again here, it's the experience I'm saying, just keep the same one. Once you will be done with all your settings, you have to click on OK and close the app, and now we are good to go. So let me start with the PowerPoint first. Now I am just going on to the presentable mode. So I'm doing the slideshow, and I will bring my cursor on the area. So it is giving me to write something here, or I can add my own notes also. Let's say I want to, to change the color. So as I told you, the shortcut button of my pen, I just need to click it once, and it is giving me the shortcut menu. I can go and I can change the pointer option if I want to make it a highlighter. So now whatever I just make, it will be highlighting that text. Now using that shortcut button from the tablet, the second K2 button, if I press, I can also use it as eraser. So you can see I can erase that also now. Now I am just pressing it back. Now it is showing me its pen now again. So I am going to the next slide, and there I am just making some changes. And now let's say in between I want to explain something of my own. So what I can do is I just click on the right menu, blank or a white screen. So let's say I wanted to have a white screen. Now here I can write anything which I want. After this, if I want to move on to the next slide, and before closing, if let's say I want to close this, so before closing it will ask, do you want to keep the annotation? If I'll say keep, those will be saved in my PPT. Okay, now let me take you to the whiteboard. So this is a Microsoft whiteboard, which you can take a pen and you can write, you can make the diagrams. Now let me take you how it works with PDF, which the teachers generally are most of the papers which we receive are in the PDF form this way. You can see how easy the things has become when I'm using this XP pen, how easy it is for me to write comments on my students notebooks, and I can correct the papers very easily. I can explain them the concepts very easily without much hassle. So I definitely will recommend you to go for this product. So once in case you make up your mind to go for this product, you want to buy this product, so I am just sharing a coupon code which you can enter when you will be making a purchase through their website. So you can see, in their store, they have all these products available. You can see which product you want to buy. So, okay, so, once you will click on buy now, you will get a billing details like this. You have to enter all these details, and then here you have to enter this coupon code, which is Pooja, POOGA, Pooja XP. Let me write it. This is the coupon code which you have to enter there, and you will be entitled to a 5% extra discount with whatever the present price is. If you like my video and you find it helpful and useful, I request you to kindly subscribe the channel and do like my video and keep teaching. Let's ignite the human minds. Thank you so much.